Hello guys, so today we're going to go over how to do the Asvab test. That means that we're going to be doing a lot of different things for the Asvab. We're going to be having different topics. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of series for this videos. Hopefully I can put them this weekend. I've been trying to do it as quick as possible. So we're going to cover different topics that are going to be on the test. And hopefully this helps you out, kind of ease up on, getting nervous. Maybe you don't know how to do certain things. This should help you quite a bit. So we're going to go over long division, multiplication, area, percent, average, and fractions on this series. So I'm going to have a video for every topic. The first topic you can see right here is going to be long division. Now, the way that I'm going to do this, I'm going to explain the first problem, how to do it properly, and then after that, I'm just going to keep working on the different problems without explaining anything. That way, you can just work along with me, and you can see if you're getting it right. So let's go ahead and do the first one. This is the actual one I'm going to explain. There's two things that you have to look at whenever you're dividing. There's going to be a number on the outside, number on the inside. What the objective of division is, you're going to try and figure out how many of the outside number fit into the inside number. So how many 14s fit into 5,673? That's our goal. So let's go ahead and start working on this. You always start with the digits. You're going to start with the first digit and work your way down. Okay? So how many 14s can I fit into 5? Well, that one's easy, because I can't fit any 14s into 5. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next one. And now I'm going to be looking at both these numbers. So now it's a 56. So how many 14s can I fit into 56? So let's figure this out. 1 times 14 is equal to 14. 2 times 14 is equal to 28. 3 times 14 is equal to 42. And 4 times 14 is equal to 56. Okay, so we have 56, right? So that means that 4 14s fit into 56. And I'm going to be putting the number 56 right here, and we subtract them. So it's going to be 56 minus 56, which in this case is going to give us 0. Now, we still have numbers left over, so we have to continue until we run out of numbers, and we also get a remainder of 0. Okay, so we got to make sure we get rid of all these numbers first, and then after that, we're going to keep going until we get a remainder of 0. Now, sometimes you're never going to get a remainder of 0, but hopefully in this problem, we do. Actually, in this problem, we don't. I already did it, I think, earlier, and it's going to give us quite a few remainders, but we're just going to do only 2. But that should be good enough. So before I even go any further, I'm going to start bringing these numbers down. So I'm going to bring the 7 down. And we're going to be doing the same thing. So now I have 7. How many 14s can I fit into 7? Well, that is also 0. I can't fit any 14s. So now I need to bring this one down. So it's going to be a 3. Now I have a 73. How many 14s can I fit into 73? Well, let's continue our multiplications here. So 14 times 5 is going to be 70. And I'm going to stop right there, because if I do another 14, I'm going to go over that 73, right? So I can only fit 5 in this case into 73. So that gives me a 70. And I'm going to subtract them. So in this case, I'm going to get a remainder of 3. Now, due to the fact that I don't have a remainder of 0, I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to put a little dot right here, because we're going to start dealing with decimals at this point. And I'm going to just keep going. So I'm going to put a 0. And this one's going to bring down. So now I have 30. Now, how many... And we're going to be using over here multiplication, the one that we already did, to kind of help us out now. So how many 14s can I fit into 30? Well, I'm looking at my table, and I can see that only 2. And that's going to be 28. And so 30 minus 28 is going to be 2. And remember, I'm going to put another 0 right here, and it's going to be dropped all the way down here. How many 14s can I fit into 20? That is going to be 1. And then we would keep going and keep going and keep going until we get a remainder of 0, if possible. But in this case, we cannot. So guess what? My answer is just going to be 405.21. Okay? Technically, we could keep going, but that's just a process that you're going to have to do whenever you are doing long division. I'm going to go ahead and show the steps for all the other ones, but I'm not going to explain it. I just want you guys to see the process over and over again. That way you can see what we're actually doing.